Accounting firms are not short on AI demos. They are short on systems that actually change how work gets delivered. If your buying process rewards the best demo, you will usually buy the wrong thing. That is the trap in August planning cycles. Partners see speed in a meeting, but operators have to live with the workflow in September, in busy season, and at review time. Those are not the same test. For accounting firms and tax practitioners, the real problem is not access to AI, it is fragmentation. One tool drafts, another tracks tasks, another stores files, another reports status after the work is already broken. So the demo looks good because each moment is isolated, but delivery is never isolated. Client data, reviewer context, approvals, and audit evidence have to carry through the whole job. You can usually sort the market into 3 buckets: generic AI, single-point tools, and dashboard-heavy software. All 3 can be useful, but all 3 often fail the operator test. Generic AI is strong at producing language, summaries, and first drafts, but it does not know your delivery model by default. It does not own identity, workflow state, reviewer rules, or evidence chains unless you build all of that around it. Single-point tools solve one painful step, maybe data extraction, maybe work paper prep, maybe tax research. The issue is not whether that step matters. The issue is what happens before it and after it. Dashboard-heavy software has the opposite problem. It can show work, label work, and count work. But recording activity is not the same as moving work forward. A dashboard is not an operating system. This is why buying fails before the demo ends. The wrong question gets asked. Teams ask, can it do this task? They should ask, can it carry this job from intake to approval without losing control? Here is a simple way to see the gap. Imagine a client job moving across intake, reconciliation, review, and final sign-off. Illustrative only, but this is where disconnected tools usually create the most friction. A better buying test starts with identity. Is there one shared identity across accounting, tax, audit, and advisory workflows? Or are users, clients, permissions, and context recreated in every tool? Second, ask about audit trail, not marketing language, actual logs. Every AI step should be traceable with input, output, reviewer, and decision history. If that is missing, your risk gets discovered late. Third, test cross-product continuity. If a workflow starts in bookkeeping, moves into tax, and ends in advisory, does the system preserve the same thread? Or does each handoff reset the work? Fourth, test human approval. Finaceverse is not built on AI replacing accountants. The standard is augmentation. AI handles repetitive steps and surfaces signals. Humans approve, decide, and own the outcome. If a vendor cannot show those 4 things in the product, the rest of the demo is mostly theater. It may still be useful software. It is just not a firm-wide delivery system. This is also where many firms confuse AI maturity with AI adoption. Buying more tools does not move you forward if the work remains disconnected. Maturity means the system can coordinate action, evidence, and oversight together. For firms trying to move from early experimentation into an AI-native operating model, the bar is higher now. You need foundation, infrastructure, workflow automation, and a workforce multiplier that works together. Not 4 separate purchases pretending to be a strategy. So in your next evaluation, stop scoring the polish of the demo. Score continuity. Score control. Score what survives reviewer scrutiny. That is what changes delivery during peak volume, not a clever prompt on a slide. If you want one line to carry into vendor meetings, use this. We are not buying AI that performs a moment. We are buying a system that carries accountable work across the firm. If you are evaluating AI for your accounting firm or tax practice this month, use these 4 tests before the next demo ends. And if you want a platform built around shared identity, audit-grade trails, cross-product continuity, and human approval, look at Finaceverse.